The Hoover Dam, an engineering wonder, stands as a testament to human ingenuity amidst the Colorado River. Built during the Great Depression between 1931 and 1936, it marked a massive feat of construction, employing thousands at a time of economic hardship. Designed by Frank Crowe, this colossal dam was built using innovative techniques like the high-volume pour method, revolutionizing engineering practices. Besides its architectural brilliance, the dam created Lake Mead, the largest reservoir in the United States, playing a crucial role in water supply and power generation for millions. Its Art Deco style, powerhouses, and breathtaking presence continue to symbolize hope and progress, reflecting its profound impact on American infrastructure and community life.